Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Katie and today I wanted to do a review on two Puerto Rican products, makeup products that I found via Instagram, and I'm really excited about them. If you didn't know, I'm Puerto Rican. I was born and raised there. I miss my people and my culture, so when I saw these two products made by two Puerto Ricanas, I was very excited and I immediately bought them to try them out. And I'm actually wearing their products now. The water liner, the graphic liner, the water ink, I'm not sure what to call it, but the graphic liner is Radioactive by ByMelolops. I got, oh my gosh, the sun, sorry. I got the mini water ink set for $40 and it was out of stock for a while. I believe it's out of stock again, but I've never played with graphic liners before and I've been meaning to. I just never had the chance, but when I found this girl, this woman who runs this company, I immediately hopped on her website and bought them. So I am a beginner and it was actually a lot of fun to use, and I'm looking forward to using these colors for more looks. I used Beam for the orange liner. I absolutely love it. I know it's they're also like UV light activated, but I don't have a UV light or flashlight. I know she sells them on her website too, but I'm just happy with how it looks. I mean, it's very pretty, very easy to use, and I feel like the more I practice with it, the better I'll get, because I know she sells this mini set and then also sells them individually, and I'll have to see what other colors she has. I'm not sure if these are the only ones she sells, but I'm gonna look because I'm very excited and I want to use a whole bunch of different colors. It's so much easier than liner, and you know, you can buy different basically paint brushes, like thinner, thicker, to add as much detail as you want. I love it. Again, that's Radioactive by ByMelolops. I hope I'm saying that right. The next product is a highlighter palette, and you guys know how much I freaking love highlight. So this was one of the things, like when I saw it, I had to get it. It's just so pretty, the packaging, and then the name got me so good. It's Your Highlight is Too Bright, and it's like that. It's spelled like that SpongeBob meme, like where you're mocking someone. And that one, I mean, it's one of my favorite memes too. It's a pressed highlighter palette, and it's by Marylia Scott Cosmetics. Very pretty packaging. It just says it over and over again on the actual palette. Your highlight is too bright. And I'm wearing it right now, one of the colors, but when I first tried out these highlights, I was blown away. Here are the colors right here. I'm wearing Mood on my cheekbone and on my nose, my Cupid's bow, here, a little bit here. But I absolutely adore highlight, and the fact that these are such fun colors is what made me jump and make the purchase. I wanted to compare it to a more expensive highlighter palette. This is the only other highlighter palette I have, the 24 karat Skin Frost Pro palette, and the colors are in here. Very pretty. You can see though, I've barely dipped into it. I actually did some comparison swatches. And I love this one so much more, and this is like $54, and this is like 32 bucks, 34 bucks I believe, and it was absolutely worth the price. I wish I had bought it sooner, but now that I know that this great product exists, I'm all about it. And you can just see the difference. I know with the Your Highlight is Too Bright palette, it does work a lot better when you have like a moist finger. So I just wet my fingers a little bit and just apply the highlight with my fingers. You can see it's blinding. And I freaking adore it. I try my best to support small businesses. They're especially owned by women, especially owned by Latinas. So when I found these two products made by two Puerto Ricanas, I was very excited, and I'm so glad I bought them, and I look forward to future products they put out. I'm definitely going to be trying them, supporting my fellow Boricuas. I'm just really happy and super excited. I think that's why I'm so out of breath during this whole entire video. It's very exciting to buy makeup products, and I love makeup products by Puerto Rican bosses. It's awesome. And also I was super excited too when I saw that this had shipped out, because I used to live in Juncos, and I saw that this was shipped out from there, and when I saw it on the on like the tracking, I was like, oh my god. But yeah, that's it. I'm done geeking out. I can't wait to make more looks using these products. I'm gonna get better with my graphic liner. I'm gonna keep practicing. I'm very excited about all the looks I can do. And the highlight, Jeffree Star, who like I'm gonna be using the crap out of the Your Highlight is Too Bright palette. Like the colors are just everything. For someone as extra as I am, this is everything. That's my review on the two makeup products I found on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. If you would like to see a tutorial using these products, please let me know. I'm still a novice with the graphic liner though. My face is not symmetrical at all, and I know with graphic liner that's a big thing, is having it perfect and symmetrical. So just know that when I do a look, it's not going to be symmetrical at all because my face isn't. So and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.